If this video found you, the next phase of your life is about to begin. If you feel like you have been stuck for quite a while, nothing is happening, and your soul has been seeking transformation, expansion, and basically to begin the next chapter of your life. And so there has been this long or prolonged waiting period, or a feeling that something is missing, or that you're meant for more, or there should be more to you than what you are experiencing. And your life has caused you, as Abraham Hicks would say, if you don't know who they are, it's a law of attraction teacher, basically, channeled through Abraham Esther Hicks. Basically, their message is that life causes you through the contrast, through things not working out, through knowing what you don't want, you become clearer and clearer to what you do want. And from that perspective, the contrast is also a blessing. It causes you to expand, right? So this period in your life where it seems like nothing is moving, nothing is happening, there is no shift, there is no change in you, and so this has intensified the desire for transformation even more. And I've been listening to Abraham Hicks a lot these days, so here's another analogy. What they say is that you have this vortex of creation, right? Vortex of desires. Your consciousness has an information field in which everything that you want gets escrowed in the vibrational reality or whatever, which is nothing but your own I am awareness, your own higher self, or the Christ within, or your inner being, whatever name you want to give it, your spiritual self, takes hold of every single desire that arises within you and says yes to it. So it is sort of held like in escrow or in some higher dimension, as Neville Goddard would say, in the fourth dimension. Because God is infinite and everything exists right now, you wouldn't even be able to desire something if it did not exist. So when the desire arises within you, it gets into this vortex of or information field of your I am awareness or your higher self, and is there for you to have it. As Abraham Hicks says, ask and it is given. So the moment you ask, it is given. And in the scripture it says, before they shall ask, I will answer, right? That's your I am awareness telling you that it is given you. But here's the thing, why is the transformation then not happening? Where is it, right? That's your question. Like, I've been asking for things, I've been desiring things, I've been wanting things for so long, nothing seems to be moving. In fact, things seem to be getting worse. So what gives? What are you talking about, bro? Why is the next chapter of my life not happening? And so let me give you a clue. As Abraham Hicks again would say, the vortex is right there, right? Right there. Everything exists right there. But you are outside of it, wondering, where is everything? And how do you do that in practice? You do that by, first of all, wondering where is it. Second, you want it, you wait for it, and you intensely desire it, but from lack perspective, from not embodying your source awareness or being the source of your reality, right? You are still living with old identity where you're trying to make it happen, and you're wondering where is it, and you're trying and efforting, but you're not being. And I will give you a cheat code right now that will help you immediately identify who you were being and why it's not showing up. Let's say that your desire is to have a certain amount of money, and you've been wanting it and efforting it and desiring it. Now I want you to say this: I am ready for this money to now show up in my life. I am ready for the glorious unfoldment of my abundance in my life. I am ready for my I am awareness to now show me, my source awareness to show me that I am the source of my reality, and open all the floodgates of abundance to now show up in my life. Right? So you are inviting yourself. You were outside the vortex before, when you were thinking, I need to manifest it, or I need to work hard for it, I need to do something. Where is it? That's you outside of the vortex. But the moment you say, I am ready for it to now show up in my life, I am ready for the next phase of my life, I am ready. Your readiness is the first step to walk into the vortex, and it feels different, isn't it? You instantly feel a confident expectation that, man, it's coming, right? And life is about to change. The transformation has already begun the moment you have said that I am ready. Before, you were saying, no, I need to first acquire this skill and that, and then I will get a job, and then my abundance will unfold. You're conditioning it. Or people who want love and SP and all that stuff, they will say, oh, first we are in no contact, so first I need to get a text message for them, and then I need to increase my worthiness, I need to get in shape, make myself more beautiful, and then I need to appease them, and then I will get in the vortex, or then I will get them. So all this preparation from your little ego outside of the vortex, because I recently watched a video of Abraham Hicks where they said something that clicked in my mind, and that made me realize why so many people are not transforming their life or not able to transform, because they are making effort outside of the vortex. She said, like, you're standing outside of the vortex and you're preparing, like, I need to do this, I need to manifest my specific person, I need to do this, or I need to first do this or that, and then I will get my money, or I need to raise my vibration, or all these conditions. That is you standing outside of your I am awareness, or being the source of your reality, and trying to manifest things and trying to cause a transformation from your little ego, from outside the vortex or outside your power. And you are creating the illusion that you are outside. You are never outside. There is no separation. There is no another being. It's all you. So you are creating this illusion of being a little self, a human, trying to cause change in this enormous illusion of God. God is dreaming this infinite dream, which is your I am awareness, your inner being, the Christ within. And so the transformation does not seem to begin, because you are conditioning it with all these other things that you think need to be there for it to work. That's not the case, right? All you have to do is show willingness, be ready, expect it, embody your I am awareness and embody your source awareness, and say, I am ready. I'm ready for my vortex escrow to be released now. It was always there, but you were not claiming it. You were trying to prepare for it in the feeling of being lack and limitation. And so you were dreaming of going to this another country and start a new life, but you were preparing for the money. You were like, first I need to do all these things and then I will go. Or first I need to do now I'm talking about vibrational work, okay? Don't drop everything, sell your house and go to another country. That's not what I mean. I'm talking about state of being. It is never the action, it's the state of being. When Abraham Hicks talks about you being outside of the vortex, they mean that you are not there aligned with that state, right? You are preparing for all these other things, making all these conditions, trying to manifest it, trying to make the transformation happen, but you're outside the vortex mentally. You're not embodying or being that. And I get that. I get it. It sometimes feels difficult. But the magic word is, now I am ready. I am ready. If it feels easier for you to say universe, you can say that, but it's just you anyways. It's your higher self or the Father mind that does all the work. So you can say, I am ready, Father, for now my abundance to unfold in my life. I'm ready for that raise at my job. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for this wonderful wife or husband or the perfect partner to now show up in my world. I am eagerly anticipating them, and I am now confidently expecting the magic of my own I am awareness or my source to reveal itself to me. And just this willingness begins the transformation. Everything that is in your escrow account, in your vortex, all of a sudden starts to flood in your world. Now, when that will come about, when that, and it's instant, the unfolding begins instantly the moment you say, I'm ready. More contrast will show up. So people have this idea that they will ever get it done, they will get finished. No, once your transformation begins and it's sort of reaches its logical conclusion, whatever is in your mind, another desire will arise. We are infinite beings, and the only thing that is consistent is desire or change, right? And more change brings more contrast and more expansion and more things to be caused in your world. And that is wonderful. So even the idea that your transformation is not beginning or the new phase is not showing up, things are still changing. There are still desires that are happening and there are still things that are getting fulfilled. But since you are outside of the vortex, it feels as though nothing is moving because you are not feeling aligned. You are not feeling like your I am awareness. You are not feeling the source of your reality. You are trying to make all this effort from your little self, which is the ego. And that is what drains you. This is why people who often my clients talk about the idea that I've been manifesting this thing for so long and I've been robotically affirming for hours and I've been imagining very hard and it has exhausted me. And that happens because you are doing it again. You are doing everything from outside the vortex. You're not being the source. And you are doing everything and trying to cause change from your little self. Well, everything is already changed in the vortex. And by the way, those who want to work with me one-on-one, the link is in the description. And those who want to join the membership side, where I answer all your questions every week with the live stream in depth. So if you are interested, join. The link is in the description. But anyways, the exhaustion is caused by you being out of alignment. Now again, I understand. I talk predominantly about the law of assumption, and Abraham Hicks talks about law of attraction. So all these things that I've talked about, they may seem like law of attraction, verbiage and terminology, like things that are outside of you and you need to attract them. That's not the case. But I really love the analogy from Abraham Hicks, and that clicked in my mind, like why people are not having these transformations that they've been desiring for so long. I have multiple clients who have talked about this idea of being the source of their reality, and they want things to come easy to them. They have been working so hard at manifestation, so hard for years. Nothing is moving. And they're like, what gives? What is going on? I've been doing all the processes and techniques. I'm waiting for my life to change, the next phase to begin, but nothing is happening. What's going on? And this video made all sense to me from Abraham Hicks, that you are doing everything outside of the vortex, right? You are doing everything from outside of your I am awareness. And even Neville Goddard's work was heavily focused on you being the operant power in your reality, and that is bestowed upon you by the grace of I am, your I am awareness, which is one with God. That's why everything can change in your life. Not from your ego, not from your human self. And so the cheat code is, it's all given, it's all yours, and it's all ready for you. It's like escrowed, like a bank account. The payment has been escrowed and you just need to go there and claim it. How do you claim it? You get into the vortex. You get into your I am awareness. You get into being source of your reality. And how do you do that? The easiest way that just clicked in my mind is say, I am ready. I'm ready for my SP to love me the way I want them. I'm ready for them to propose me now. I'm ready for my adventures to begin. I'm ready for a new chapter of my life. I am ready for it to now unfold all around me and show up in my world. I'm ready for my world to be transformed. I'm ready for my abundance to grow now exponentially, or however harmoniously. If you do not want exponential or outrageous wealth, if you want steady wealth like I desire, you could say, I am ready for my abundance to now harmoniously expand and grow in my world. Right? I'm ready for my bank account to start getting flooded with clients. I'm ready for my business to now grow the way I desire. I'm ready to see the numbers on the Excel sheet that show me that my business is flourishing. I'm ready to become that person whose business is flourishing, right? Your willingness to get into the vortex starts from you being ready for the transformation to take place now. And then the whole thing unfolds, right? Ask and it is given, right? Before they ask, I shall answer. How is that even possible? Because it is you, right? It's your I am awareness that is within you. That's why it can answer you before you ask, because it is you. It knows what you want. It has it. It has the whole thing. It's just, it knows that you want it, and it's like, come, take it. But we are standing out there with our back turned against it, thinking like, where is it, where is it? And efforting and exhausting ourselves. So if this video found you, the transformation has begun, the new chapter has started. Be ready for amazing transformation, amazing good luck, abundance, love, health, wealth, freedom to show up in your world right now. Get excited about it, confidently expect it, and see your I am awareness prove to you that your own wonderful human imagination is God, as Neville Goddard would say. So yeah, this was a little bit of a different video than my usual videos, but I hope you enjoyed it. This is it for this video. Until next time, bye bye.